oh yeah, so that thinking chapter thinking also gravitation the end of chisa the part of the load amasum chis that also chapter chukchi badi physics ki chapter thanga di lago mata physics ki chapter di chapter shiva chagor last and the sound ra in the textbook ki chapter 11th chagor da okay chapter mean kare work and energy so dina na so concept ni jangar work yana work done the deva work chikche and the energy ko the chapter dia thumuni ta okay there is a difference in the way we use the term work in day to day life and the way we use in science lega na da ga work na lega na gyu ma zo thenda ma ma ke je shi ge bi ma zo lega chi de lega and the keras tang ye ge di youtube na upload chi ne keras amjo nye de na work chi to swa di na shi mi da de na work chi to lega okay thenda ma this ya lam de tu gala ani ke je shi tu gala de nye ge da chi to day to day life la na ma zo work la na ide define chi chora okay ta ide science to ne ma zo work ya na physics to ne work la di ani thenda logades ra physics to ne work la di with logades pena ma de ke je shi bi ka la ya chi bo ma na keras ani thenda da ta nye video upload chi ge zo ta keras kita de na ल्या छिवे लेदा न के आज के ल्या छिवे न हो mai yi jang ge ani ma am jin yi ge sla ra du de work da na ji do work na ji do da physics to ni or ti ji ma res okay and pet for loga res physics to ni ta khandes se loga ma ju ti jang che okay ta di ma do mai na ma ju kare example le ni jang ge che ra okay okay ta pena tenta nge di chalk box di na chalk lu da de chalk box di la ko la nya nge this nya de na namgyu tukin do hanzu lya chigo re la na deshi gebe kabla day to day life na la work done chigo re sna ho lya chi do ka chini chok de la ba ju do chok de la ba na nya de do asra pam na la ba na nya de do so lya chigo re ses ta na hanzu science to ne kare di work done re la na physics to ne work done re ya na work res ta na mares ka chini mare la du ba na chok di ne pam ti ka la sha du ba la asra la ba la shuk lapa ya chok juye de la shukchi da gyagorda muscular force nan shukchi gyagorda and also gravitation force ma jeni muscular force chi gyagorda yine ko kare saje ji u gyagomar ta also motion na jangera displacement like object move chi du kala displacement ta distance na jangera so displacement la do displace la na object de la object digi initial position ne final position chi na dogo displace chigo displace china ani shine kare displace che ani amula force kana ani khachire ani shine khachire ko jo science to ne work done yana work like sees thanda de la kare force ma to yomar ko pam kan de do okay ta nge gi dia in this kana chok dia kana tengi de da di ganza je ma to chok di pam kala shadu kala क्योंकि height दिखारे जरूर चौक बॉक्स दिखा लागोड़ा पाम दिखाना शायद height दि जरूर क्योंकि position initial position का ले दे जरूर कर दे ता ताकि दिंदे शेयर रेस चीज ओके दिंदे शेयर रेस चीज़ वाला काची सो चौक बॉक्स दी देंगे दियर्स ने zero initial position देने दिबा दो रेस चीज़ ता देने दिबा पेना half meter यो चेशेश ओके तो रेस चीज़ वाला दी height दी काचा रे कोगी displacement the displacement you kangla ni ki kachi so force exert chi so ya lift chi so okay lift chi go the force exert chi lift chi go so force apply chi sa chok box de la ani kare displacement do pa chi ko height chi attain chi so di kala ma ju kale re work done your res work done chi res object de la okay so science ki definition to ne work done la na on the day jo chi ta ma ju dene di che ma goyang yang chulu ta work done in ani kona formula kare unit khandis re this la dukala ta pena ngi ki dela force 1 newton ke ta force 1 newton okay ta dene thinking a half meter na sa ta displacement di 1 meter in bacha osa so force 1 newton gap and displacement di 1 meter ina san kola work done khaju chiore snana work done ta energy cheaper work done is equal to energy literally okay ta energy khade la na ya the next second half ta di ra ya jindu chungal this ta jang okay so energy la na nibajik la gora nibaj la che ge nibajik la gora ta anda ma work done da energy cheaper energy ge SI unit khare be ding ni jang ra so jindu chungal jang ra khasi de le jang ra so the energy ge SI unit khacha so joule chungaina kilo calories dile chungainde yora so ana so SI unit di joule chaza so work done ki unit khacha ire joule bachine work done da energy cheaper reslar ta nge khala so da chok ti ya lift chela force khaja apply chela so 1 newton ya lift chine height ya 18 chiwa ya na displaced ya na distance khaja re 1 meter in bacha shows so di interval la chok de la khaja chire la na 1 and joule reslar ajane force into displacement 1 into 1 chaza 1 newton into 1 meter and 1 joule cha so 1 joule ki definition pageti do 1 joule is the amount of work done on an object when a force of 1 newton displaces it by 1 meter along the line of action of the force lana force ni di chola lift chi so dina shingi or displace chigyo e di chola dosa okay so that is a work done science ki work done this ta da ye ke je she de go di work done re mare theras ki ne de go di work done re na mare ma andas ya lam de go di work done re la na mare nam gyu du gun do ha chu tu ma ya na te na kala ka du ba je yungura di kale du gun to de she ke gi work done di level ma ani science to ne physics to ne work done she la engine ji chala de la force ji apply chi gore chala di displace chi go okay yeah that an example ma bage do digo when you push a pebble lying on a surface the pebble moves through a distance pebble na do chu the surface ka sha and this ma push china alla gore force apply chini ani tingi do pebble de give the dears to na okale displace chis osa saja distance cover chis so force the displacement yuna and work done chavo then next when a girl pulls a trolley and the trolley moves through a distance the trolley ma jo th ta the gas in the kare gas leha to kinza ne gas leha to trolley bijutang to cylinder gas cylinder tanjang leha to so in the ani ya ma jo market na trolley dinjo che jo me da shin do me dili da okay so trolley ji and pull chires pull chidi kala trolley de move chine and distance kala kanjam store so distance ta pull lana force distance ta force yuna ani work done res object dela ta trolley work done chir pebble digi work done chir next okay example one when you lift your science textbook the science textbook raised to a height thinking example job box ne sa dina shingi chipaji ga ta chara garle ne dugor in thinking a job box ne sa ta kana ski textbook kana jela upload chi sa jela ne kana science notebook you get textbook you get ani chine concept dugor science textbook ya lift chile kabla stra course apply chira force apply chiwa ganga lift chidu ko distance chi attain chi to height chi attain chi na ko distance ra dine so di khare work done rest na so as a work done chi ko chhe chi to di wala thing sabayur all the above situations reveals and shows that two conditions need to be satisfied for the work to be done condition ni gores condition tambo di thingi ni shivana shi force gores a force should act on an object force chi inji apply chi gores ai force inji apply chi na tapa ya gya go kyapo mata thingi chole just use a horizontal use ide ya this ya inclined use ide kare ne ose ide force chi apply chi gores force chi apply chi sa jela object dela object di kuyo tang go ta sa je ju kya go o sa ena distance chi cover chi go ti na ane object di khari chi re ya chi re walk down chi re sla okay ta ma jo experiment chi je ma jo di ga chi ane these things are the walk down ka chi concept demonstration diva lifting a book. Okay. Nampu di also the World Science book. Okay, lifting a book. Tengi experiment nashi. Ta yangse china nanglo ting the kare di walk down mune dingi kare lagi me odu kochura. Okay, and di nanglo ne ya one case soon store. So walk down la du tenda ye dedi palm kana de share da. Ta de ya kyarte. Tene ya kyar. Tene ya kya tu kala tingi de shagyo ne digas pad drosa. Digas pad drodu khala ire height 18 chires. Yana distance recover chires ra. Di kare ko displacement re. Adi rashin gi di kya la tenda ma shu gyaw da force apply chido. Okay, so the force tam displacement yana ani kachire walk down yours lifting a book. Tiksa tene dragging out anything or a try car. Who should you think of Hachido? And some say the two the and the momentum Gajana instrument equipment chiche, tell a tarbuch car, copper wire, to board the drag chidugala, Yapochinta, original position, they want to displacement that is a CO chair, number motion got chapter here, and they so also the position there, the initial position there, the momentum experiment. So the drag is dragging anything or a dry car, drag chidugala, force apply chura, to pull the force, pull chida. The hachiso dene dears lectures. Dene diva to kare ko gidi distance covered, which is called as a displacement. So the displacement yana distance covered yo khanshi la nyambo force chi chala dela apply chinas ra and kachagre walk down chagres la. Okay, tasubadi dragging that same thing but raising the string. Ajo calculation e dugu chi ta. Ambo disubadi matongeni lifting a book la walk down raise kandes re. Force into this. The formula walk done. Walk done is equal to force into displacement. Experiment activity lifting a book. So the lifting a book la du galas ya lift chidu gala force chi apply chido dine hachiso displacement height 18 chido. So walk done ki symbol W J force F J displacement S. So walk done is equal to F into S chasa. In ashing it and also drag chair the chibuchigante. Drag chair kablas object de la pull chidu force apply chivora then distance cover chido. Okay, so distance cover chidu kala. Okay. Now activity lifting a book and dragging the trolley or anything or a momentum gichara dithe so dithe to kala F into S that you gonna F the force and S the displacement distance cover chidwa yana change in the position of the object the displacement so the work done rest the work done in a okay. Okay, so next the work done la ke sum example handa sum te boy din je kare work done che dang ani yana case matter sooner. So force into displacement here cause the work done science on work done object work done la force da displacement in image ko ta. Okay, ta thinking ege di trolle di drag chi zande chin drag chi du kala srande drag chi du that India the concept मुझे इंडस ट्रैक चिड्यू कला force की direction दी चला रहता force की direction दी चला रहता okay दिन आशिंग की अने करे object दी motion की direction of motion दी चला रहता so दिला दी कला force की direction दा motion की direction of motion नाना था ये अच्छी हो रहा है और displacement हो रहा दी force की direction दी अरे displacement हवा कहीं चला चाहिए ने इन्हें कोनी quantity तो ने वे दी scalar दी बैठे रहा force दी चला क्या इंजांस लारा force दी चला क्या rest object देना दी चला क्या rest pull interesting किधर दिनाशिंग के object दिए displace दी चला ड्रो rest ला so दी रोटी वाला जो this you know angle kajure angzi don jana angle force की direction in this che dinashin की displacement की direction in the na namge anjo angle se the arm triangle ine khare ine arm ni paru la khare angle li ra angle chikli ra vertex की देना तब आजो है ना in this level था force की direction था and displacement की direction था तो करा in the angle so angle kacha so 0 chasa okay angle 0 so angle 0 la tu kala 0 degree la bora so dinde edu kala ma so work done se na jura work done is equal to fs cos theta f into s la the fs la na f into s cos theta so then the cos theta khachu cha so value di khacha so 0 cha sa di direction di che di direction ta di arms ka geometry ka arms ka ma che so khacha so angle 0 cha sa so cos theta is equal to 0 cha sa ta cos theta ki value di na lu na w is equal to f s cos theta khachu cha so cos theta ane 0 degree theta 0 degree is equal to value 1 okay so that 1 there da cos theta is equal to 1 that is sama paru la khare re ko khare chu re multiplication here da ni paru na so force into displacement cos theta la na angle की value la ani cos la di जो cosec le di tangent ka chi this is shingi some people have a curly brown hair and say that okay so the cos theta so cos theta value table nata na cos theta 0 ka value ka re 1 so this is equal to f is equal to cos into displacement features and that the horizontally thank you chira oh the khacha re case 1 work done reda right and work done sedan chik in this okay ta sambash to na ane di kala ma chu khare na na karsa khale re work done di and the value work done di khare dela number khare dela sign thi na khare positive value ra so positive the 1 newton into displacement 1 g na displacement 1 meter g na and na so work done is equal to 1 newton applied g na force only 1 meter do na and acha so work done is equal to 1 newton meter cha and newton meter ji lagaya ra joule ji so work done is equal to 1 joule yani and dide ki work done is lagale positive work done plus positive work done ये screen का नाम ये थिएटर थी केस था कुछ Okay. Ta thinking horizontally in this stance, ta kesi the momentum ki equipment the in this ya thenas ra in this ya thenas la in this ya thena direction thinking horizontal jada ta ya in this thena force of direction in this jada ta displacement ranja drosa, right? Displacement ki direction into che force ki direction khachiso ya drosa koni jinda geometry doeta the horizontal ranija horizontal force ki direction displacement ki direction positive value le ko kimse cha next dela force in this gear string di ya langsa. Okay, so force ki direction di chola rata. Okay, so this equipment is displaced in this direction, but the force is applied in the form of inclined. So this gala, so you move hunted to stay there, Nana. Case 1 machiranja there in a force ki direction chisa. So then momentum the instrument the force this displacement dichol do okay dichol do sa maju gitane 9 na triangle chirasa and they angles correct theta. Okay, so the cos theta the correct the 90 degree kachte the base kachte the correct hypotenuse. So the theta dikha cos theta chhe. Okay, so then also F simple work done connect force into displacement at root s and work done is equal to force into displacement cos theta and that level can say what is. But you also angle measure chini cos theta ki angle measure chizane and theta ki value la pane tane table nana value che. Okay, and then value ne pela 90 degree na 40 degree na 30 degree na so the less than 90 degree dosta. So the na tena value ne che. Okay, so the chik che. Ta di thama positive dire bhutan. Positive bhutan tiksa. The next case 2. Case 2 the negative work done. Negative work done la do kana na work done la do the negative sign. When a ball is rolling on the ground and from the opposite side Tashi kick the ball, make it hold after a displacement. Ball chick in the roll chi there the ball chi roll chi there ball chi roll chi de go chikana ball chi de go chikana card de tashi card to gala force apply chisa right force apply chidu ko khachire gaza so dide kapla ane khare opposite direction to ne force apply roll chi de go the force kagyo de chigo amarda force ball chi rolling chi de res rolling chi de go jila force apply chis car res la sa hold na ka so force ki direction did the ball ki displacement to guda so that is when you cholo why do gala and this work done the kachelde negative changes ta dinashin gi the things are tang na anzo kare gravity shishan work done by the gravity the negative changes gravitational force ke earth ki kachure object sama ma pull chura so pull chigor la na gravitational force la the force ke direction ma le do right now object ma yugu na force ke direction da ani displacement direction chikwa inza thingi parallel line ni parallel chitu kala cos theta 0 thingi draw na shi positive work done chagorda ta thenda mancho kala ore work done by the gravity ine chala dekha chure ya lifting a book or lifting a book or lifting a ball. So that is against the gravitational force. Force and the force the gravitational force exerts in object de la work done khajuli do labor. Okay. So book chig ya lift chuda. Ya lift chidu gala earth ki book de la gravitational force khagi chore kya gore mai gi do. Ine take the displace kawachi so ya chisa. Okay, so displace ladu change in the height, then the change in the height. Thank you, dear. That is initial position 0 chawara, this displacement 0 ra. That then ya do 1 meter to na displacement the 1 meter upward direction chasa. Kola gravitational force kandis kya gore ma kya gora. So koni direction lowa chasa displacement the force ki direction. Tinte ki work done the khalegre khachagre negative work done. Okay. Ta triangle to nitishe kya na katu this tishe kya ne the W is equal to force into displacement lara. Then also force the earth ki gravitational force kya tu of that the nakachi to ma gi do and displace the ya do the displacement. The sign power chine to that in the ra. For force negative value lana concept negative values minus in the lava multiple ko direction chiko to more the negative value je nampe answer negative value angi numa la di to more direction bi ha hoye to negative lava. Okay, quantity negative charge lava mata, so that is ane hanjo minus fs chala bogdan ta kaise hanjo ye ketengi book the leaf chite karla 1 meter dores and force the 1 newton carries lana work done is equal to minus force katu kya so 1 newton and displacement karna so 1 meter. Negative the minus padta, so that is work done kar negative work done in this thing you do and this 1 into 1 chara 1 newton meter chasa and work done is equal to negative 1 joule. So the negative work done like this. Okay, ta remote on the shena and also head the kachi so force ma gelba de force ma the correct gravitational force in displacement ya jiwa. Proportionate and go too much the force ma the direction ma chaza then the displace ya choose. The direction, the force the direction. The angle acha so 180 chasa 0 re 180 res lana ani 180 then in this chapter force ki direction mache displacement ki direction in this, so then acha re 180 0 mar 0 ina in this dewa thingi anju dosa. Okay, so 180 degree chasa. So for theta dikhacha hai 180 degree. Tab mazal formula de chhe chine ane kada negative work done chine re ya work done is equal to fs cos theta lene right. So work done is equal to fs cos theta dikhacha le to 180 degree do. Okay, 180 degree. 180 degree value is now the table now. Common do ya. Because that's not trigonometry. Theta is the value madu chuda. Cos 180 degree. And cos 180 degree की value मतो negative 1. What done is equal to cos cos 180 degree because to negative 1, so W is equal to negative Fs. So tomo kachare work done the negative value charge. Then as we 1 Newton to sa 2 Newton force applied chikyo the thinking also debra ya lecture out force applied chikyo the 2 Newtons che and displacement chikyo the 2 meter in the W is equal to 2 to the 4 Newton meter, which is equal to SI 4 negative 4 joule. So the work done negative in we consider this. Okay, that case somebody 0 work done. This data, zero work done. Example, if you try to push a big wall, the wall will not move even though you will apply force. That is concept there. No, actually, work done. Chikyo ane so condition ni changore la. Condition ni khari changore object dela force chik apply chikore object di displace chikor. Chik madu chang mena force chiko apply che displace chimena work done yona. Force apply machina displacement yu kora mara. Okay. यहाँ force apply chine displace machiwa ine ra ani work done yore sna ta on di shimo zero work done hai pena ni hada de LCD screen di desha da di gap la ga re chikpa ta ne push chuorda push chitu gana push lana force ra ne force apply chitu push chine wall di do de or geta du da displace chitu da yana distance cover chitu da so move chikme za wall dila work done khare zero res la tena kerangi do chimbuch yana kerangi nam dev ka table chimbuch kerangi ko maduech push chim maduech a table di uge dang gorda force apply chigore na chigor push chigorda ine table chi che bugyo tangi mena ra bugyo mate ache a te madu ache do dugu mena displacement zero charge ane overall Kadita number kaju in the zero ni multiply china zero chayra, so that is work done zero. T rest then the next thing is cos theta is not boy chiche. Taya work done the formula chick all nana ditsu doeta a the b. Akuma doeti this F is equal to work as example chana displacement zero ra and kanza zero chasa work done zero. And next thing also cos theta le china theta gi symbol में तो computer ना so ये theta थीबा f into s cos theta so cos theta 90 degree so that the condition है तो work done zero लाएगी okay Okay. Tani anda di laptop ki bag di kyan ki dogorta. Kyan ki dogorte. Laptop bag shwa di kyan ki dogorta. Okay. Ta dira work done chigores. An work done chigyo na kaju chigores. Sui work done chigore bag ki chigore ge chigore. Work done kajures nanata. Okay, bag kin dogorta bag. Bag di kin dodu kana back in the ski kamna ye force kan scale to lapa git force deep machina kiye la yumara len jana ma zal do so di la tu bala ye khachure force ki direction yar deep chi do okay ta ko displace chigores di karsa back di displace chigores nana ine du na distance cover chi do distance cover chi to chi mi de ta ma zo calculation ton chi ta ba okay W is equal to force into displacement force theta now ye back is okay back continuous theory. Okay, back to keep the apa gitne june back to keep. So the laptop back to the back chasa ta kido kidu kana negative force direction khane ini ara ne chote the f की direction to sa ta next tela also displacement lati kana ni dicho duwe na okay displacement की direction dicho chera displace chigo le chigo mare in some time okay bob back in this tune door ta back in this ये था displace chigo door jo ta back in kin do ta okay मा displace chido back displace chido इने object है ना आज तासा दी back का चिशे होता okay ना back in this kin door sa कितु वाला back ला displacement yours ना back ला displacement योमा force ची apply चुगो दी कामना back देला frictional force ची opposing force ची क्या बोलते हैं friction मैंने जिन्ना इंगे ने जान सा रहा हूँ दी chapter अरे laws and motion मैंने जाने समझ अभी ना चीज़ जिन्ना केवल ना जान रहा okay frictional force ची क्या बोलता दी when the direction kacha so displacement s kacha sa ni khare frictional force kacha okay so geometry jina force ki direction in this che and then ma two kacha so displaced then in this che then pa khare re frictional force displace जो मतलब the s the f की direction okay अब आज वाला angle खाली चासो angle 90 degrees चासा angle 90 degrees this is called 90 degrees चासा 90 degree तो दी चाटे वाला माजो object देना displacement हजुर रेस ना यानी work done is equal to f s cos theta cos theta दी हजुर है w is equal to f s cos हजुर दो 90 degree w is equal to f s f into s now cos 90 degree is equal to हजुर दो 0 okay so दी सामा multiplication तो नावा मारे थे नावा so दी सामा multiply चिना 0 चिना so work done is equal to 0 put on 0 later in this way. So cos theta, some people have curly brown hair through proper brush. Trigonometry rachita jahai na indicate. Na tips mampu erta. Okay, ta di padon azo kare work done rachita.